siya sa
Super
salad
sarap
master
ng
mix.
aking sinigang na damo. Fire ribs. Mula sa aking garden at super. Manamis na miss ang naging sabaw ng aking sinigang. Ito na ang aking bagong gismero. Sinigang na damo na walang ulam. Napukal mo yung isang sa plato ko at para siyang kasabay sa gulay niya pagkaluto. At ang madulas siya ng konti, parang okra pag kinain, at manamis-namis yung sabaw, yung tamis ng fireweeds na punta sa sabaw, tumamis yung sabaw ng sinigang ko. Hi guys, we're gonna cook of course, here you go. Oh, diba? Salmon, baked salmon with veggies medley. Ayan. At ito na, naka-ready na siya. So, we have here lemongrass, ginger, garlic, onions, and of course, tomatoes. And then, inuna natin yan. Naka-on na siya, 450 degrees Fahrenheit. At ito pa yung ating ibang ilalagay dyan. At ito ay, minarinate ko na rin siya sa salt and black pepper. At may kunti ng sibuyas, bawang. Ayan. Lagay na natin siya. So, nilagay natin yan sa ilalim, yung mga ingredients, at may rosemary in oregano yan, guys, at lemongrass para mabango ang ating uulamin o ang ating pagkain. At syempre, nasa ibabaw natin ilalagay ang ibang ingredients. Ayan, lalagay pa natin yan para maanghang-anghang. So, I put a lot of ginger, guys. Ayan. So, yung mga ingredients dito, isang bowl na sibuyas, bawang, lalagay natin dyan, tsaka itong mga gulay, yan. Dito na yan sa gilid. So, this is a tambak-tambak system, put all together, all the veggies. Yan. Once you are cooking a baking salmon in a salad master 12 inches skillet. So, ganyan guys. Sa ibabaw ang gulay. Yan. So, wala siyang langsa or yung after, yung fishy smells. That's why we add lemongrass, ginger, and rosemary and fresh oregano from my garden. Itong vegetable medley, galing na yan sa store. So, ganyan tayo magluto, guys, to be more healthy. And we're gonna add more black pepper. No more salt because we did salt already on the fish. Iniram ba? In Bicol, iniram. Or para mamarinate siya sa salt and black pepper. So, we're gonna turn to 350 guys because it's 350. It's gonna be baked. I mean, it's baked only 350. At add black pepper. So, using our EOC electric oil skillet salad master 12 inches. So, we put a lot of rosemary. And close the lid. And let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And this is the rest of my rosemary and oregano from my garden. And later, I have a frozen banana here. Later, I'm gonna cook a carrot banana bites. There you go, guys. Let's try and open it after 12 minutes only. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna focus the camera. Ooh, wow. Look at that. The baked salmon, guys, is ready. Let's check if the salmon is cooked. Oh, it's really cooked, guys. And let's check it's cooked already. Let's check the bottom. Oh, nice. See, guys? It didn't burn the bottom. Oh, look at that. Not burn. Wow, properly cooked. And we have to turn it off because we turn this low. So let's try it. Gonna try a little bit, guys. At ayan, ganda yung ilalim niya, guys. Oh, nag-ano siya, oh. Para din siyang sinotay. Kasi nga, wala tong tubig, guys. Dry talaga siya, oh, sa ilalim. Ayan, oh, nag-brown-brown siya, yung ilalim niya. Smells so good. Walang langsa, hindi amoy lamalangsa. Yes, perfect. This is the perfect baked salmon at EOC Electric Oil Skillet Salad Master. O, diba? Sarap, oh. Ganda, oh. Diba? Lutong-luto yung gulay, guys, oh. So, very healthy ang ating baked salmon. Ay, sarap, oh. So, when I cook, guys, I always put a lot of vegetable to be healthier and the best. Because our body needs a lot of nutritious food and healthy food. Cooking in Salad Master, it's only 12 minutes, guys, for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for baking. So this is baked salmon, very healthy. Sayang yung nalaglag. Sarap. Grabe. Perfect. Ayan siya, guys. After I got one salmon here. So, hindi siya na-burn sa ilalim. At ang ganda ng pakaluto ng salmon. Tamang-tama. Ayan. So, 4 pieces na salmon ito. Ayan. Tanggalin natin yung mga gulay-gulay sa ibabaw. Para makuha yung susunod, para hindi masira yung salmon. Ayan, oh. So, kukuha na rin ako ito para sa aking hubby. Pagkain niya yan. Siyempre, I always serve food my hubby before myself. That's how I do in the morning. Early, I give him breakfast, lunch, and this is our early dinner. 4 o'clock because they are going for a movie. Diba? Sarap!